Look at that. Before I bite into it, go ahead, look at that. Dang. It's good too. Thanks for tuning in. This is a McDonald's mukbang. Dang, I need some water or something. But yeah, I just got here. I already paid, already ordered. I'm just waiting for them to bring it up. They told me to go to the second window. So I was like, all right, let me pull up to the second window. But yeah, here it is. Got the fries. You know, they went up on their dang on fries. Why the heck did McDonald's go up on our prices? Dollar menu. I missed that crap. Man, where everything was $1. You had small fry, $1. A medium Coke, $1. What else you have? Barbecue sauce. I'm dipping my fries in barbecue sauce. We had double cheeseburger, $1. And do you remember when they took away the double cheeseburger? And then they made it a McDouble? And the only difference is a slice of cheese. It was one instead of two like the McDouble had. I mean the double cheeseburger had. That's crazy. Rename something, you can sell it a different way. That's so weird. And it's totally similar. Alright, so here's the double. Yeah, I got it plain. I got two of these. It's 2 for $3. That's what it is. So go ahead, check that out. The sun hitting it. There's something in the way. I don't know. Maybe this will work. Like that. Yeah, y'all know what a double cheeseburger looks like. Is there a glare? If there is, let me know in the comments. Yeah. It might make some of y'all want McDonald's. McDonald's is global. Have you seen that McDonald's movie? But the McDonald's brothers first found it. California. There's some water or something. Right, yeah, in California. And you know, it was striving, great restaurant, fast. That's what everyone loved. That was fast. Low price, great food, quality, customer service, and affordability. Those are the 3 things I look for in a restaurant. But yeah, McDonald's brother kept the operation going, steady, down packed. You know, there was organization in each compartment, each department on in the prep station. Ray Kroc, he had found out about McDonald's and how great it was doing and how fast the service was and how great the service was to other customers, and he had the idea to go up to Cali and try to get a piece of the business. But it's a long story. Definitely go check it out. Here's my other one. Same thing, plain Jane. That's all it is. Just plain Jane with cheese. 1 slice of cheese, 2 patties. But yeah, That McDonald's story is good. It's on Netflix. He's the one that took over McDonald's and made it what it is now today. Global restaurant. Yeah. Like I said, I didn't get nothing to drink. I feel. But if you guys are liking the video, if you like McDonald's, and if you love the double cheeseburger, right, McDouble, go ahead and subscribe. Going our way. My goal is 50. Dang, I got all kinds of stuff in my face. My goal is 50K. Building that, I don't tell you loyalty, but nah. Building that friendship with y'all. That's what I want to do. Look at that. Before I bite into it, go ahead, look at that. Think. And it's good too. It happens. But yeah, building that family relationship is definitely what I want to do with y'all. I just want to keep this growing. Like, I'm gonna be pushing content. I don't know. I know it's like, there's a lot of views going on my channels, on my new uploads, on my old uploads, and that is amazing. Thank you. I'm glad to even have that residual attention. But y'all need to start subscribing. I'll have like 2,000 views or something on a video, and then it'll say freaking 1 subscriber or 0 subscribers, and I'm like, dang. So what is it that y'all want to see more of? Because these food mukbang vlogs, they're here to stay. The reason why I start doing this because I see all these local businesses. A lot of them are going out of business. They're not getting enough money. When the customers are not expanding, they don't have money, to expand at the time. They don't have money to advertise their building during this pandemic, and then not being able to advertise, not getting the amount of customers that you need each day to even pay the bills in the shop, or the restaurant. It forces them to, foreclose and go out of business. And that's why I'm here. I know everybody know McDonald's is already popular. Like I said, global. But Mukbangs, of course, is a food channel, is a food review channel now. And that's something I want to do. But the reason why I do food reviews, like I said, is to support those small businesses. If the food good, sometimes I just don't know, Sometimes the reviews on, Yelp or Google reviews isn't updated. And I just take a shot in the dark when I go to these restaurants. I would love for y'all to give me feedback on videos, because as you've seen, if you are a loyal viewer of my channel, you would see that my editing is getting cold. As in cold, I mean good. As in good, I mean great. As in great, I mean phenomenal, fantastic. The editing, I'm proud of it. I used to suck, but it's getting better. And you know, I'm just wondering if y'all noticed that. I'm trying to find a way to keep y'all entertained. So just let me know. Let me know what I can do to keep your attention and keep you a part of this family and help me get to my goal. And what you do in this family, it's more like help us. Help us go visit the local restaurants in your area. Go visit the black-owned businesses in your area. Make sure you go support them in this time because the pandemic is knocking out everybody, shutting out everyone's business. But this is what I'm about to eat right here. Focus. I'm ready to eat anyway. It's coastal. It's by Coastal Bay Confections, Creamy Delight, Heart Candy Blackberry. It's amazing. This is from Dollar Store, and the other one I just put in my mouth was peach. But yeah, not the Dollar Store. Some of y'all probably haven't even. Hold on. What is this? Family Dollar, where everything is $1. Some of y'all probably haven't even. That's what happened to the last one. But yeah, some of y'all probably haven't even been to Family Dollar. But yeah, make sure you go. If you do have a family tree, go ahead, check that out. You'll be amazed about what type of stuff they have in there. Amazing and cheap. Alright, so this is TN.Kass. If you like the video, definitely subscribe, like, share, and definitely comment. I'm going to have to start doing a giveaway or something. Seriously, I'm trying to get these subscriptions up. And also, you know, there's a membership that's on my page. Go ahead, check those memberships out. I'll put in detail a description of each level of membership. You already know by now. I gotta go. Peace. You can ask about me, I'm cool. I never thought that I'd be better. I was bad up in school. Been through the stormiest weather, but I still made it through. Just keep your head up. When shit get hard, don't never let them see you fed up. If you find demons, pray to God, it ain't no pressure. And when you fall down, better get up. Don't you let up.